Hey guys, in this video we'll take a look at HyperQuizLists. Now, one of the biggest roadblock that's preventing people to be a successful internet marketer or online entrepreneur, guys, is to actually build up an email list or email subscribers. Because if you don't have an email list, you don't have a consistent flow of income to call yourself as a successful online entrepreneur, right? Now you're gonna have to spend hours creating an opt-in pages, tweaking your opt-in pages, creating landing pages, guys. You're gonna have to purchase domain, you're gonna have to purchase hosting, and if you are a newbie, if you're a brand new internet marketer, everything is a mess. You don't have any kind of idea how to build up a high converting opt-in page, a high converting landing pages. You're gonna have to worry about integrations, guys. Everything is a mess, right? And you're gonna find yourself late at night, figuring out how to build your email list, right? And this is where HyperQuizLists is all about. With this tool, you'd be able to build your email list, or build a buyer's list, guys, using a fun and effective strategy using a quizzes, right? Which is really cool. All right, now before I'm going to show you guys the demo of this, how you can use this tool to build your email list or to build up a qualified leads into your business. Let me show you first, guys, my bonuses. That way when you guys pick this up through the link down in the description of this video, you will get access as well to additional value that will really help you guys out, surefire your success with HyperQuizLists. When you guys click the link below this video, which is the first link, it's gonna bring you guys to my bonus page. Alright guys, so this is my bonus page for HyperLists. Now when you guys scroll down at the bottom portion of this page, you're gonna see all of my bonuses right here. Now I actually custom crafted all these bonuses, guys, which means you cannot get this kind of bonuses to anyone else, because this came from my own knowledge and from my own experiences. And I actually talked to the vendor, which is Ram, and he allowed me, guys, to give away his special bonuses right here, right? So you get access, guys, to this fast action bonus number 1, which is WP Facebook Quiz Creator. You get access to Social Quiz WordPress plugin. You get access, guys, to WP Easy Quiz. You get access, guys, to Survey Logic WP plugin. You also get access to Extreme List Build plugin. You also get access, guys, to List Building Profit Kit. You also get access to Lead Book Generator, and then you also get access to Product Creation Formula. You get access, guys, to Sales Funnel Mastery, and you get access to List Building with Stories. Alright, so those are all vendor bonuses, and here are my custom crafted bonuses right here. My bonus number 1, guys, I'm gonna show you how to monetize your leads that you build up using HyperQuizLists. Because if you don't know how to monetize these leads, you're gonna make money, right? So in this bonus number 1, I'm gonna show you guys how you can make, or how you can monetize your leads to make $50 to $100 per day. Alright, so that is my bonus number 1. My bonus number 2, guys, I'm gonna show you, I actually discovered a really cool method to use Facebook to drive free traffic into your quiz list, or into your whatever link you wanted to redirect this traffic. It can be your affiliate link, your landing page link, or your HyperQuizList link. Alright, so you can use this strategy to drive free targeted traffic. This is the exact method that I use in my day-to-day affiliate marketing business to get consistent flow of leads. And this is the exact strategy as well that uses by big affiliates out there to generate leads, right? So that is my bonus number 2. My bonus number 3, guys, I'm gonna show you, this is from my own personal knowledge and personal experience. I'm gonna show you guys how to build your email list, and then I'm gonna show you guys how and where to get free products that you can give away. That way you can build up your email list fast, and then I'm gonna give you guys access to a free software that comes with a landing page builder and free automation tool and free autoresponder. Right, so that is my bonus number 3. My bonus number 4, guys, I'm gonna show you how to get massive free traffic with YouTube Shorts. Right, I actually use this strategy, guys, to generate thousands of views, guys, in just a matter of hours. When you guys take action within 24 hours, you can get massive eyeballs into your short form content with this strategy, all right, which is really cool. You get eyeballs, clicks, and most especially sales into whatever offer or affiliate offer that you're trying to sell online. So that is my bonus number 4. And then you also get access, guys, to, just like I said, all vendor bonuses, which he allowed me to give away all of his bonuses right here, right? So those are all of my bonuses. And of course, and by the way, guys, inside of HyperQuizLists, you also be able to connect autoresponders right here. So you can connect your eye contact, your send false, active campaign, send lane, get response, mailer line, send in blue, mail whiz, and Aceli and Sendio. So these are the autoresponders that you can integrate, guys, inside of HyperQuizList. Now, if you guys don't have any of these tools or email marketing tool, I can also give away a Sendio account. So I have this agency Sendio account, so I can also give away this as a bonus as well. If you guys would love to pick it up, if you guys would love to pick up HyperQuizList through the link down in the description of this video. Alright, so those are all of my bonuses, and let me take you to inside of this application, how you can use this tool, guys, to build up a buyer's email list. You build your list in a fun and effective strategy, right? So once you log in into your account, this is where you're gonna see the stats of your account, right? And this is where you create your list or you create your quiz. Be able to click on this great quiz right here, and this is where you select what type of quiz that you will be creating. All right, you can create an engagement quiz, response generator quiz, surveyor quiz, score type quiz, poll type quiz, custom quiz, and video type quiz. You can also use this to to promote clickbank offers for health and fitness and weight loss offers, which is really powerful. All right, so let's say you guys wanted to create an engagement quiz. So this is where you select the engagement quiz, and then this is where you select a header image. Let's say you wanted to use this one right here. Click on next. Of course, we're gonna have to, like, let's say weight loss, right, and then click on next right here. Alright, guys, and this is where you create your quiz. It's really simple, guys, and straightforward. So the first step is that you're gonna need to edit the start right here. This is where you ask a question. So let's say you wanted to ask a question. Let's say are you interested in losing weight? Let's say your offer is a lost weight offer, losing weight within 14 days, right? Let's say you wanted to ask this kind of question, and then this is where you add in a custom image if you wanted to put a custom image. And yes, let's say we added like, yes, I'm interested, right? So this is where you put your call to action button text, and this is where you add an image. So you can select an image from your from Pixabay or from your local computer, or you can put an image from a URL. Alright, so I found this image right here. What I can do is I can right click on this and copy image address, right? And I'm gonna go back to my software, and then I'm gonna click on select from URL. I'm gonna paste this one right here. I'm gonna click on save, and that's pretty much it. I can preview that one. Alright, so we can preview this one right here, and this is the look and feel, right? Now what we can do now is we can close this one right here, and we can add in a question, right? So you can drag this one in right here, and let's click on edit right here, and this is where we add in a question. Let's say, what is your current weight, right? What is your current weight? And then what type of answer is this? It can be like a checkbox, it can be a radio button. Let's say a radio button right here. An option, you can add in an option. Let's say 120. You can add in a new option. Let's say 300. Right, you can add another option right here. Let's say like 200, and then you can also add in a new image. Let's say we wanted to like use this image right here. What we can do, we can copy this image URL right here. We can click on select from the URL, paste this link, and then click on save right here. And that's pretty much it. We can click on this preview right here to preview that one. So this one right here, right? You can create complex quiz right here. And then next step is you can add multiple questions if you wanted to do that. We can add a lead form. This is where you collect your email address. This is where you build your email list, right? So we click on edit right here, right? Enter, or please provide your, please enter your details below to receive a custom diet plan or custom weight loss plan, something like that. And then you can again choose another image. So let's say you wanted to choose this image right here, so we can copy this image URL right here, copy link address, or copy image address, go back to our software, paste that link right here, and then you send it here or submit. You can put like submit right here, click on save, and that's it. This is where we view this one right here. So this is the look and feel of your opt-in form. You can also do next is to click on add results. You can readjust this one, and then you can, this is where, by the way guys, you put your affiliate links. So if you're promoting something, this is where you redirect people after they finish the quiz. So this is where you put your affiliate link. Alright, you can open this in a new tab or same tab, right? So and then we can click on save the changes, save URL right here, and that's pretty much it. All we can do now guys is to connect this form by clicking on this connect right here, and then click on connect. Alright, and click on connect right here and connect this to the lead form. And then if that person chooses the second option right here, what you can do guys is to create other questionnaire, or you can create complex what we can do now guys is to connect all this together. So we click on connect and connect this one right here, connect this one right here. So let's say that person chooses this 120. You can also create another question. If you wanted to create complex quizzes, you can also do that. So in this scenario, we'll just connecting this to the same form right here, and then we connect this lead form to the results right here, right? And that's pretty much it guys. All you have to do now is click on publish guys, and your quiz is now live. All right, so you can share this on social media. You can embed this to any kind of page builders that you have, or you can add as a pop-up right here, or you can get a hosted link. So click on this one right here, copy this in clipboard, and you can open this in a new tab. Alright, so this is your quiz right here. They can click on yes, I'm interested right here. They can choose their current weight right now, say 200. This is where they put their name and email address right here. Click on submit, and they can receive an email. Alright, and they can click on learn more. That way they'll be redirected into your offer. Right, so let's say this is your offer, this is the product that you'll be promoting, so you can redirect them into this page right here. Alright, so that's pretty much it guys, how you can create a quiz inside of HyperQuizLists, right? And this is where you see all the answers guys, and in this section right here, this is where you view the analytics. See the country, the location right here, and you can download this users right here. So let's say this one right here, download the CSV right here. You can manage your lead right here. You can manually send out an email, or you can send out an email automatically. This is where you manage your list, right? So you can send out an email manually, or you can send out an email automated email, and this is where you manage all your list, right? And you can set up your own SMTP, or you can integrate your email marketing tool or autoresponder into HyperQuizLists, right? And they have some upgrades right here, and their Facebook group right here, and this is where you access into the training, the VIP pack, and the bonus right here that I promised you a while ago, right? So those are all of the things, guys, that you can expect inside of HyperLists. And just like I said, guys, you get access as well to all of my bonuses that I mentioned a while ago when you guys pick up HyperQuizLists through the link down in the description of this video. Alright, so when you guys click that link, it's gonna bring you guys to my bonus page right here. So when you guys click any of these buttons right here, this will redirect you guys to the sales page. Headline says app generated 11,324 buyer leads in 7 days, posting lame 30-second quizzes, right? You can learn more about this by visiting the sales page right here, and they have some upsells within this tool, guys, and you can learn more about those upsells in my bonus page right here. Upsell number 1, guys, is the pro version of this tool, which is $37. Upsell number 2, guys, is traffic edition, $47. Upsell number 3 is shorts edition, which is $47. Upsell number 4 is done for you email campaigns, which is $37. And upsell number 5 is reseller edition, which is $147, right? So those are all of the upsells, guys. If you have any more questions about this, please let me know in the comments section below. I'll try my best to answer all the questions that you have, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Love you. Bye.